Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of joining into a group in Fiverr. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Fiverr. After that, tap on the search icon that can be seen at the top of the screen and then search for the name of a community or a topic of interest. For instance, let me type share. After that, you'll be able to see the groups related to the topic that you have entered. Now, in order to join the group, all you have to do is tap on the option join channel. Finally, you'll be the member of that channel or group. So in this way, you can join a group in Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.